It's okay, Jerry. It is well. It is well. It is well. It is well. People are walking like a soldier.
Sure,
On behalf of Oyita fan base, we present this to you in recognition of your hard work and appreciation of your heart. And we love you!
Okay.
Oh my God.
So answer for the picture.
Congratulations! This is so beautiful. Oh, thank you guys. I'm so weak to cry now. Oh my God.
Okay.
So beautiful. I know these streets.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Oyita to the world! To the world! Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. This is so. God. It's heavy.
I know, right?
It's like. Oh, diamond. In the sky. Oh my God. Where am I going? Who knocked? What happened? What did you guys want? Knock? Oh my God. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, babe, you can't go. My center. My number one fan. This woman, oh my God. Each time I remember us, I want to cry. Everything. From day zero. From when there was nothing, when she did not even know that I'm going to be Oyita. She believed so much in me. All that time, oh my God.
First one. And it is everybody.
To God be the glory, praise Him and all.
All right.